Insantink, no? Insanity. Nakita ko lang ho, actually hindi ko kabisado o kung ano man ito, no? Kumakalat sa social media eh. Insanity, the official launch. Ed Chico, Ruder, Mardy Almighty, Ryan Kilala, Chip Balbena, o yan mga ano kasama. May square. Sino ba yung naka-square at nakabilog na yan? Tingnan niya natin. Sabi dito, resibo. No? Facts in Ramil Madriagat affidavit, bag of cash from DepEd delivered to Comedy Bar. Nomu Basho, yun yung pangalan nung Comedy Bar, no? In Timog, Quezon City. Where OBP spokesperson Reynold Munsayak was present. Also note, in this poster, Attorney Ryan Kilala, Ombudsman Prosecutor, performs also mentioned in his affidavit. Thanks for share. Nako, ano ba to? Meron kasi ako nakitang Ito pa. No, another duffel bag of money was delivered to a comedy bar owned and frequented as SSC Law alumni located the Timog area. When I arrived, I saw OBP spokesperson Reynold Munsayak, former classmate of BP Sara. He signaled for me to go upstairs and leave the money at the office. Oh, I followed his instruction and then I left. He did not speak to me. Okay. Pero nakita niya doon. No, Timog detailed affidavit ni Madriaga nagdulot ng tanong tungkol sa social circle ng ilang legal personalities. Sa affidavit ni Ramil Madriaga, may isang detalye na binanggit sa section 18.2 na agad napansin na ng mga magbabasa ng dokumento ayon sa kanyang sinumpaang salaysay. Isa raw sa mga duffel bag, no, yung pang gym bag ho yan, yung malaki, yung parang pa-square na ganon, na may lamang malaking halaga ng pera ang dala sa isang comedy bar sa Timog area. Sa parehong affidavit, sinabi niyang nakita niya roon ang OBP spokesperson na si Reynold Munsayak. Nako,